Very warm greeting, traders. I'm Om and I welcome you all to this post market analysis video. So, in this video, we'll be discussing about what happened today and what we can expect from the market in upcoming days. So, this video is all about market analysis and nothing else. And yeah, I'm working on GAN series. So, I'll try to upload a few more videos in upcoming weeks on GAN series on the working of GAN. So, stay tuned. You will get a lot on this channel. All right. So, let's start with the video. Okay. So, this is it. 21st June is over. Okay. It was all on 18th June. If I show you the 15-minute chart, see this what happened. This is the 18th June rally. Okay. This rally happened in the second half. You can say around, see, you can see here. This rally started at 11 o'clock and continued till 3:30. Everyone was expecting market to go higher or flat. But what happened? Markets opened gap down. ठीक है? It was a huge gap down, if I'm not wrong. See this? Yeah. It was a huge gap down. More than 1%. Okay. So this is what I would say the markets have decided their minor bottom. I repeat, markets have decided their minor bottom. There are two types of bottoms and tops, namely minor and major. Okay, markets have decided their minor bottom. All right. So I have something to share with you all. All right. Uh, I'll remove this for now. I'll remove this also. I have something to share with you all. You guys can see this rectangle over here, or I would say the level 15450. Level on Nifty 50. Level is 15452. 15915.90. For me, we are in this range. All right. If we see any closing below 15450 in Nifty 50, then yes, the pain will begin. All right, you can say. Uh, Although there's this trend line coming in, I'll show this trend line to you on the daily chart. See, this trend line is coming in, but yeah, that short-term pain will start below 15,450. All right. So I want all of you to be prepared for that. We can extend this trend line also. This trend line can also be a good support in foreseeable future. All right. Yeah. So the plan is right in front of you. All right. What I'm doing personally, what I'm doing is I am currently shorting the market. All right. I'm currently shorting the market. Remember this date, 23rd of July. All right. I won't say anything else. Just remember this date, 23rd of July. That's enough for you. So I'm currently shorting market. And if you guys can see, this is a sort of a multiple bottom over here. Wait, I'll show you. I'll make it clear in front of you. All right. This over here. There's a multiple top. Sorry, this is multiple top over here. ठीक है. Plan for tomorrow. If market opens flat, market will see a good sell-off, as we have just witnessed. FIs have sold up above 1,000 crores in cash market. So I'm expecting a good correction in market, a healthy correction in market in a foreseeable future. Also, if market opens flat, it will see a good selling coming in. If market opens gap up, I want you to please watch for price action. ठीक है? Study price action for at least 1 hour. If market opens gap down, then there are two cases. If market opens gap down, either market will directly plunge, or market will again retest this level. ठीक है, रीटेस्ट कर रहा है और अगर उसके बाद वापस गिर रहा है, कोई इशू नहीं है. अगर रीटेस्ट करके यहाँ पे टाइम स्पेंड करने लग गया है ना, देन आई वांट यू टू बी कॉशियस, because this is nothing but build up. All right, build up, and afterwards we can expect a good momentum on the upside up till 15915.90. Also, for those who are in short, for those who have positional short positions, your SL is 16,000 and not 15,915. I repeat, your SL is 16,000 and not 15,915. 15,915 is a level, nothing else. This is not your SL, this is not your target. This is a level, a GAN level. All right, a level which is calculated with the help of Gan's theory, with the help of Gan square. All right, so this is not your SL, not your target. For those who are in short, your SL is 16,000. All right, any two closing above 16,000 on daily chart means your SL is triggered. You have to exit your position. As long as we are below 16,000, sellers are safe, bears are safe, nothing to worry about. But yeah, for bulls, I would say 15,450 is the level. 15,450 is your SL. Any two closing below 15,450 will lead to a short term pain in the market. Okay? So levels are in front of you. My plan is in front of you. My plan is this only for at least 2 weeks. I'm not expecting any kind of out of the box move happening in the market. Everything is normal, everything is quite planned. So we'll see what will happen in the market. We have all our levels in front of us, we have our planning with us. All right, so this is it for the post market analysis video. uh, let's analyze bank nifty also. Bank nifty is also doing great. Yeah, okay, so here it is. 33,800, I would say. 33,800, a good number. All right, and not 34,000. 34,000 has been tested two times. So yeah, 33,800. Any closing below two closings below 33,800 on the daily time frame will lead to a short-term pain in Bank Nifty. Already, Bank Nifty is not performing that much. Bank Nifty is underperforming. Also, those who remember, I told you guys ki when market will hover over the all-time highs, private bank Nifty will be the one who will not participate in the rally. All right, and yeah, I have proved that. Okay, I have proved. So yeah, we have all our levels in front of us. 35,400, and the another level comes up to be 35,800. All right, 33,800 to 35,800. We are currently in this range, and currently right now we are in the middle of this range. Okay, so I don't jump into trade. We are in the middle. There's no point to enter any trade right now, so we'll wait for an opportunity. Also, we can see a good level right in front of us. Okay, yeah, this one is a good level. All right, so all levels are in front of you. Trade accordingly. Okay, trade less, I would say. Trade less. Okay, if you guys remember, I posted a story on my Instagram handle. If you are not there, please follow me on Instagram. I share a lot of hints with you all. I share a lot of advice. I give you a lot of advice. I share a lot of hints, so that would be helpful for you. I posted this कि यार markets are uh, not for beginners for now. ठीक है, Beginners should stay away from the markets for a while. Let everything cool down. ऑलराइट. सो बिगनर्स हो, ट्रेड करना चाहते हो कर लो, सिर्फ एक लॉट से करना. ठीक है, क्वांटिटी हैवी मत डालना भी. ये नहीं कि यार मैं एक ही दिन में बहुत सारा पैसा कमा लूँ, मैं बहुत सारी क्वांटिटी लेके ट्रेड कर लूँ. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता मार्केट में. एक ही दिन में कोई पैसा नहीं बना पाता. मुझे भी बहुत टाइम लगा था पैसा बनाने में. इनफैक्ट मैं तो अभी भी बना रहा हूँ. मैं जहाँ चाहता हूँ, जो मेरे गोल्स हैं वो तो अभी भी अचीव नहीं हुए. ठीक है, तो बहुत टाइम लगता है, एक दिन में नहीं होगा. अभी सिर्फ सीखो चीज़ों को. ऑलराइट. So that's it for the post-market analysis video. You can subscribe to our Telegram channel. Link is provided in the description, and that is totally free of cost. Uh, you'll get all my live position updates, all my live view in the market. If you guys see this, I share my view. All right, see this. This was not was nothing but my view. Okay, this was nothing but my view. तो मैं सारी चीज़ें लाइव जो चीज़ें होती हैं वो यूट्यूब पे आके एक्सप्लेन करना इज़ क्वाइट इम्पॉसिबल. सो इसलिए वो टेलीग्राम चैनल पे है. दैट इज़ टोटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. आप उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. मैं उस पर काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें शेयर करता रहता हूँ. ऑल राइट, आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय. हैव अ हैप्पी ट्रेडिंग वीक. एंड अपने मम्मी पापा का ध्यान रखना. उनका आशीर्वाद बना रहा तो यू विल बी सक्सेसफुल इन योर लाइफ. बाय बाय गाइस.